Hello everyone, welcome to my Chocola cosplay makeup tutorial. I finally understand the love for cat girls and this cosplay makes me feel so cute. I apply these golden yellow, kind of brown lenses, then prime my face. I apply foundation all over with a damp sponge until I'm happy with the coverage. Then I use the sponge again, but this time with loose powder to set it. I contour my nose to add definition, then apply a rosy pink blush to my cheeks. I outline and fill in my brows with a dark brown eyeshadow to match the wig. Then I blend a taupe eyeshadow in the crease and down my lower lash line. I then use a liquid liner to create wings. I tightline with a black eyeliner, then apply highlight to my inner corners and halfway down the lower lash line. Then I go back and brighten up the waterline with a white eyeliner. I apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes, smudging just a bit down the lower lash line for extra definition. I add spiky false lashes, then use a pinky nude lip liner to create a gradient effect. I start in the inner rim of my mouth, then blend out, slowly building up the color. I finish the look with lip gloss for shine and setting spray. Thank you so much for watching. As always, let me know what you think down in the comment section. And for more details about my Chocola cosplay, such as the wig and costume, check out my Ellie Mail wig unboxing and review in the description box below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me. And until next time, please take care and stay well.